Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I've just built this new raised bed in the garden and it's quite tall, just so the dog doesn't get into my raised bed, but it's going to take a lot of filling, so I've started to fill this up. I just thought I'd bring you along and show you what I'm using to fill up my raised bed, just so I don't fill it all with compost, spend lots of money, and just using things around the garden such as grass. So let me show you. So this was the first raised bed that we had, and this was quite a success. So I've now gone on to having my second raised bed, just in this little secluded area of the garden, so I can grow some veggies. So in my trough I've got some cardboard, I've got some old wood from the raised bed, I've actually got double bed and also a desk, also under here, which will all rot down in good time, covered by cardboard and cardboard from the bed. And then we've got a covering of straw, which from the rabbit. We've got some grass, so we're going to layer all this, and then we've got some bedding from the rabbit, and it's all being layered. Got some twigs, some grass from cuttings, and we've also got some vegetable peelings, so it's all going in. All getting mixed up nicely. Some vegetable scraps and even the cardboard for some brown fibre. More scraps. And we're going to add rabbit bedding with rabbit poo. That's going to go in on top. And also bedding from a rabbit's tray. All going to go in. Got it nice and mixed up. This is the base. I've got some newspaper covered in wee-wee, and that's all going in. Good job, filling it up nearly halfway, just natural products. Spreading it around, mixing it in, and that will all break down quite nicely. Then we're going to add some homemade compost on top, along with some normal compost, and then we'll be done.
I see a worm. Why does that look like awful like a spider?
and some old compost. Homemade compost from the bins. Looking good. So we've got our beds. I'm not going to go much higher. I'm going to use this Super Grow organic compost. Just going to spread this all over the top. And there we go. That's our raised bed. Ready for planting. So let me know in the comments. Have you filled up a bed using the horticultural method? It will go down in time. We'll just keep topping it up with more compost. And we can grow nice things up our trellis. All sorted. So here we go. Just after a few days, we can see now it's slowly gone down. It was on the level, and we can see it's slightly sunk, but we're just going to keep on adding compost on top, and we've even planted our first tomato in the trough, and they're going to grow nicely up the shed on our raised bed. The one behind, we've got some potatoes growing. We're going to put some tomatoes in here too.